so now we're going to a return customer. She's a realtor and they have a whole bee's nest of realtors there, so they're VIP clients. They send us a lot of work, and she's got a microwave and the handle I think is a little wonky. It's not tripping the micro switches probably. She's getting some kind of error code and the microwave won't operate with this handle. So we'll report back when we get there. It's a Kenmore built-in microwave. Don't have a model number yet. We'll record it in the application when we get there, and then the tech docs will be instantly downloaded there in the GuildUSA app. Get out and get some, people.
Did it.
How does that ribbon cable look? Okay, so that microwave was pretty straightforward. We actually just cleaned the ribbon connector off with a pencil eraser and everything started functioning just fine again. It's a good thing because the parts for that, the keypad and the interface, are discontinued, and we couldn't even find them on Shop Jimmy or eBay or anything like that. You got anything to add, Jake?
Yeah, with those, it was giving us a stuck button error. Anytime you do that, I mean, we reseated the cable. It could have been the cleaning, could have been reseating. Every time they close the door, it might wiggle the cable, but go through, you have to test every single button. You push every single button to make sure they work, so that way you know which one is or isn't actually stuck. Pushed every button, they all work, so it might not be the keypad, it might have been in the cable, but it might happen again. You know, we don't know.
Yeah, we'll warranty the repair. Like I said, she's a VIP, so you know, it's always good to see people and get into a real estate office and touch people, you know, shake hands, kiss the babies and all that. Anyways, made it a lot easier when we went into the AI and just put the model number in and the symptom, and it pointed directly to the problem, instantly gave us all the part numbers right away when we didn't have the part diagram available for a Samsung. It was a Kenmore made by Samsung. But with the onboard AI in GuildUSA, boom, it was like lightning. It gave us all the solutions, all the part numbers, everything, put them in our part widget for automating the estimate, sending that to the client. But we were able to just get the full repair done in one stop, so we're stoked. Keep it on.